Handy tips for organizing your iPhone apps more effectively. Often find yourself wading through pages of icons, looking for that certain app. There's a better way. Learn to organize your iPhone home screen properly, and use a few extra tips to find the right app every time. Remember, you can always search with Spotlight. Simply pull down on the home screen to reveal the search bar, or slide left and tap Search, and type the name of the app. Make better use of folders. The folder will remain accessible from any home screen, and it's a handy technique to use if you have a lot of favorite apps you find yourself reaching for all the time. There's actually no limit on the number of folders you can put in the dock, but 2 seems to be a sensible limit. This part of the home screen is designed for apps like Messages and Mail that you find yourself requiring quick access to all the time. Create a home screen that's useful to you. Your first home screen is for your most useful apps. It's best to leave folders for the second home screen, since your first home screen provides single-tap access to the really useful stuff. Wondering which apps you tend to use the most? Settings Battery will provide a breakdown of battery usage by app. Tap the clock icon to see a breakdown of how long you've used each app. Your second screen is a great place to put folders, since it doesn't require too many swipes and taps to access. If you don't have a lot of apps, you can get rid of folders entirely. Does it take you too long to launch an app on a consistent basis? Move that app closer to the front. Demote things you no longer use. Keep evolving your home screen based on usage to keep it relevant and useful. Remove things you don't need. iOS introduced a much requested feature, stock apps you can finally delete. Apple now lets you download apps like Contacts and Stocks from the App Store, so you can delete what you don't want until you really need it. No more throwing useless apps into an unused folder. Just delete them. Other apps you can get rid of, or at least bury in a folder,